In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 tips that I personally use to grow my channel from 0 to 100 subscribers. I'm going to share all these tips with you coming up in this video. Hey guys, my name is Jack, and on this channel you will see reviews, unboxing videos, tutorials, and all that stuff. So if you haven't subscribed already, consider subscribing. And in today's video, we are here to talk about 5 tips to grow your channel from nothing to 100 subscribers really fast in 2018. So let's dive straight into the first tip here. First tip is spend the time to edit your videos. I cannot stress this enough. People cut corners. People don't edit their videos. People, think, oh, I'll just spend 15 minutes recording a video, I'll just put it up there for the world to see, and I'll get millions and millions of views, and I'll gain subscribers in no time. No, you have to put in the work, you have to put in the time. It's always been that way. You can't just cut corners. So yeah, you gotta put in the time. Spend the time to even watch your video back and look at the entire video and see where you start losing attention, or you start getting bored and you start thinking about something else, or your eyes sort of like wander and start looking at something else. Stop yourself right at the point that you did that, and then fix the problem there, that there might be something you can add in there to catch people's attention again, to get them hooked back on your video. Tip number 2. This one's extremely important because this helps you rank in the searches in YouTube. With millions and millions and millions worth of minutes of videos uploaded to YouTube every single day, it is staggeringly difficult to try and rank in the search bar. So there's a few tips I'm going to share with you on how to do this. Use relevant tags, use relevant cards, use relevant titles, and use relevant end screens. This is crucial for you ranking in like the YouTube search bar, so that your content can get seen. This is the difficult part. Your content could be fantastic. You might not be tagging it correctly. That's your issue. You've got to make sure that you're tagging things correctly. So I'm going to hop onto the computer and show you a few things here really quickly on stuff you can do to sort of optimize your chances of ranking higher in the search bar so your content can get seen. Guys, I'm here to show you how to optimize your videos to the best of your ability and make the most of tags, titles, thumbnails, and descriptions, and everything that you can do in your power to make your videos pop. So first things first is you want to optimize your tags. As you can see here on this video, I've used tags such as mentioning my name, using the camera equipment I use, or just the equipment I use in general, the editing software, as well as like putting things like LED headlights, lighting, LED, DIY, how-to. Just describe your video as best as you can. What category does it fall into, and add as many relevant tags as you can. Adding irrelevant tags will not help you. It will kind of just push you further away from meeting the requirements of fitting into a category. Next thing you want to focus on is picking the right end screens. This is crucial. What do you think your viewers are interested in? What kind of content do you think will really catch their attention? I recommend using the ones that they recommend, like the best for viewer ones and the most recent uploads. They seem to be pretty good. The best for viewer usually just picks the one with the most engagement, and have the round subscribe button because that will help you out quite a lot as well. Be sure to add cards in your videos as well, and actually look at your analytics in YouTube, because that will actually tell you when people seem to be dropping off from your video and leaving, and you can then add cards at that right point. Also, write smart descriptions, because that will really help you out. Describe the video as best as you can, and it will really help you in the long run. I hope you guys enjoyed. Tip number 3, it is really important and crucial to put a lot of time into your thumbnails. Think about it. Let's remember here, this is what people are seeing. This is the first thing that's catching their eye. Try and make it as descriptive and sort of make the thumbnail represent the best description of your video. Make it represent it in the best way possible, and let it describe your video as best as it can. And try and grab their attention. Do not use misleading tags or put misleading images in the thumbnail, because you know what? That will get you hate, I guarantee you. People will click on that video, go through the whole video, and they'll see that piece of crap didn't even mention that thing that was in the thumbnail once. And they'll hate on you, and they won't come back to your channel, and it will damage your reputation. So use things that are legitimate and truthful in the video, but try and grab their attention with colorful text or whatever you can do to grab their attention utilize the tools. If you guys don't know what tools to use, I'll link them down below in the description. And if you want me to make a video specifically talking on how you can make interesting, diverse, and colorful thumbnails, let me know by commenting down below and I will do a video on that. So tip number 4. This has helped me out so much over the past couple months, and it is comments. Commenting back on other people. Commenting back to the people that reply on your videos. And also, if you come across channels that are smaller than the one you currently have, comment constructive feedback that they can do to improve on their videos. Trust me, this will go a long way for you, honestly, because they'll say, hey, that guy is giving me some feedback. I'll subscribe to him because maybe he'll give me more feedback on my videos and I can give him feedback on his videos. And also, your favorite creators as well. The people that you watch every single day that post a new video. Comment something you really loved in that video. I promise you, it will have such a great return on your reputation, your brand, and your channel, and just everything in general. People will say, hey, this guy's been really, really nice to this creator. Let's go check out his channel and see what he has to offer. So tip number 5, this is my final tip to share with you, and this is so important, and I see people doing this so much, and it makes me frustrated that people think this is okay, and it is not okay. You need to make sure that you are not copying other people's work. This is so incredibly important. You need to make sure that you are not copying somebody exactly. You can damage your reputation by this. And let's say if Laura DIY made a video on the exact same DIY and you made a video on the exact same DIY and you took everything she said in her video and then you used it in your own video and they were the same length and had the same images in the thumbnail. That is copying. And I guarantee you, anybody that came from Laura DIY's video and watched your video would call you out for it and it would damage your reputation. So please, please, please do not copy other people because it will not help you out. It will only damage your reputation, your channel, and your brand. So make sure that you are not copying other people. It's okay to go over to other people's channels and take inspiration from them, but don't copy them. It's okay to take inspiration from them, but just remember to make it your own unique piece of content. Don't copy them. Make it your own. Find your own twist and your own unique spin that you can put on it to make it your own. And like my sixth tip, or like my bonus tip, or if everything else that I've told you in this video fails, use a program called Promoda. This is not sponsored, by the way, and you do have to pay for this program. This is not free. I repeat, this is not free. You do have to pay for this program. It's called Promoda. And basically what you do, I've never used this program before because I haven't really had to, but I've heard about it and I've heard really good things. So basically what you do, I checked it out the other day actually, and I'll put a link in the description down below if you want to promote your videos. Basically what you do is you basically pay Promoda a little bit of money. Basically you tell them how many views you want to get on a video and what you're specifically looking for. Are you looking for shares, likes, comments, or views, or anything like that? It just helps your video out a bit and kind of just pushes it up a little bit in the search bar to kind of help you out to get you seen, because it is really difficult. Even if you do all these tips, it's really difficult to get seen. So yeah, if you guys want to check that out, I'll leave it in the link down below in the description so you guys can check out Promoda. I'll leave all the equipment that I use in this video down below as well, so if you guys want to look at that as well, it's all in the description. So yeah, that's all the tips I have to share with you for now. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below if you're new, because I've got a lot of stuff to offer on this channel. And yeah, make sure you turn on my post notifications so you don't miss a new video, and I will see your beautiful face very, very, very soon. Until then, bye guys.